To track Google Analytics event tracking, you first need to understand what event tracking is and how it works. Event tracking is a feature in Google Analytics that allows you to measure and analyze specific interactions on your website or application, such as button clicks, form submissions, or video plays. To start tracking events, you need to have a Google Analytics account and a property set up for your website. Once you have this, you can begin by categorizing the events you want to track. This involves determining the category, action, label, and value for each event. For example, if you want to track a button click, the category might be navigation, the action might be click, the label might be the name of the button, and the value might be the destination page. Next, you need to add the event tracking code to your website. This typically involves using the Google Analytics JavaScript library to send event data to your Google Analytics account. You can do this by using a tag manager like Google Tag Manager or by manually adding the code to your website. A typical event tracking code looks like this. It has the category, action, label, and value, and it sends this data to Google Analytics when the event occurs. You can also use the Google Analytics debug mode to test and verify that your event tracking is working correctly. To view your event tracking data in Google Analytics, navigate to the Reports section and select the Behavior tab. Then click on Events. Here you can see an overview of all the events that have occurred on your website, including the category, action, label, and value. You can also use the secondary dimension and filtering features to drill down into specific events and analyze the data in more detail. Best practices for event tracking include using a consistent naming convention, setting up clear and descriptive categories and labels, and testing and verifying that your event tracking is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Google Analytics event tracking to gain valuable insights into how users are interacting with your website or application.